The Telangana state was formed on dash June 2014. Answer A. Second. Total number of districts in Telangana. Answer C. 33. What is the literacy rate in Telangana? Answer B. 66.46%. Which one is the largest district by area wise in Telangana? Answer D. Bhadradri. Bathukama is a part of which festival? Answer A. Dasara. Total number of national parks in Telangana? Answer B. 3. Who was appointed as the first governor of Telangana? Answer D. ESL Narasimhan. Who was the last Nizam of Hyderabad? Answer A. Mir Usman Ali Khan. In which year the Charminar was built? Answer D. 1591. Telangana Day is observed every year on? Answer A. 4. In which year Hyderabad was officially declared as the capital of Nizams? Answer C. 2nd June. Who was the founder of the Hyderabad city and Charminar? Answer B. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Rudrama Devi belongs to which dynasty? Answer D. Kakatiya dynasty. The Bhadrakali lake is located in which district? Answer B. Warangal. Where are the Brahma temples situated in Telangana state? Answer C. Alampur, Mehboob district. Telangana State Forest Academy is located at? Answer C. Dulapalli. Sinnapalli Hills are located in which district? Answer A. Adilabad. Hyderabad Tenancy and Agriculture Lands Act was enacted in the year? Answer A. 1950. Sikandrabad was established in? Answer B. 1806. Who introduced the Hali Sikka rupee in Nizam state? Answer B. Salar Jung. Who composed the famous song Jaya Jaya Hai Telangana? Answer B. Andy Shri. Komara Valley Mallana temple is located in? Answer A. Siddipet. Total number of elected members in the Telangana Legislative Assembly is? Answer D. 119. Total number of members in the Telangana Legislative Council is? Answer B. 40. In which year Telangana High Court was bifurcated into Andhra Pradesh High Court and Telangana High Court? Answer D. 2019. Who was appointed as the first Chief Justice of Telangana High Court? Answer A. T.B. Radhakrishnan. Who was appointed as the first Speaker of the Telangana Legislative Assembly? Answer C. S. Madhusudanan Cherry. Total number of national parks in Telangana is? Answer B. 3. The Kuntala waterfall is located in which district? Answer C. Adilabad district. Which one is the highest point in Telangana? Answer C. Dolly Gutta. Who hoisted the Congress flag on the Residency building in Hyderabad? Answer D. Padmaja Naidu. The Pranahita river flows in the district of. Answer A. Adilabad. Nagarjun Sagar Left Canal is called. Answer D. Lal Bahadur Canal. Telangana state flower is. Answer A. Thanjadu. Ali Sagar in Nizamabad district was named after. Answer B. Ali Nawaz Jung. Pakhala Lake is constructed on the tributary of. Answer B. Krishna. Who is also known as the Hyderabadi Ambedkar? Answer D. Bhagaya Reddy Verma. The Behram tank was built by. Answer C. Malimba. Which Qutub Shahi king was called as Malki Burma? Answer B. Ibrahim Qutub Shah. Total number of agroclimatic zone in Telangana is. Answer B. 3. Kaval Wildlife Sanctuary is located at. Answer B. Jannaram. Which district of Telangana have the highest percentage of ST population? Answer D. Mahbubabad. Which one is the first city of India which made solar panels mandatory for big house and apartments? Answer B. Karimnagar.